Hello folks, this is Untitled from unbox, and today we are going to talk about the Mi outdoor Bluetooth speaker. So guys, let's first start with unboxing. For the same, inside the box you get the Bluetooth speaker, you get the micro USB charging cable for this one, user manual. It has a very nice cloth-like finish and comes with a nice stretchable lanyard. At the back side you get the Xiaomi branding, and overall build and design for this product feels really good. It's IPX5 water resistant and has a 3.5mm jack, micro USB port for charging on the side. And apart from that, if you look closely, it also has a microphone along with the volume plus and volume minus buttons. It has a 5-watt speaker on the inside, and the voices on the speaker sound like Indian accent English. It comes with a normal power on button along with the play pause button, and there is an LED indicator as well which indicates charging status, pairing status, etc. The lanyard cable is also of pretty sturdy quality. It weighs around 210 grams. You get around 20 hours of battery life as claimed by Xiaomi, but I found the battery life to be good enough. It comes with a 2000 mAh battery on the inside, and in my usage I found that I was able to use it up to 3 days on sporadic usage sessions, and you can also answer the calls using this speaker. If I go in further detail and talk about the sound quality, I found that the bass was pretty good on this one considering the compact size, and apart from that it also supports Bluetooth 5.0 dual mode, so that's something good. Considering the small size, the overall volume output was also good for the speaker, and it's one of the better compact speakers that I have seen right now. It's priced at around 1399 rupees, and for such a price I feel that it's a great price product, and for anybody who's looking for a Bluetooth speaker to use outdoors, it's good for them. So guys, this was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all guys are safe during this extended lockdown period, and guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.